Today we're issuing a COVID-19 order in regard to K through 12 schools. We have already announced that we'd be issuing an order. Really is encouraging three things. One, for parents to notify a school if their child tests positive for COVID-19. Two, our order will encourage a school to notify parents if there is a positive case in their child's school building. And finally, the order will make the information about cases available to the public on our coronavirus website. Today we'll be putting that on the website. It will go into effect on September 8th. And let me just say, before I kind of read through here, most schools are already doing this. As I've talked to superintendents and received emails from them, and by the way, thank you for those who have sent me emails and kept me up to date on what's going on, and congratulations to everything that you've been doing. And I want to thank your teams, all the superintendents and all your teams. Thank you for what you're doing. But beginning September 8th, the order will go into effect on September 8th. Parents or guardians and school staff should notify their school within 24 hours of receiving a positive test or a clinical diagnosis. Obviously, the faster, the better, but certainly no later than 24 hours. Within 24 hours after receiving the notification, the school should notify parents or guardians about that case in writing, providing as much information as possible without releasing protected health information. There will be templates available on the coronavirus website. School must also notify their local health department. Beginning September 15th, local health departments will report the number of newly reported and cumulative cases to the Ohio Department of Health every Tuesday. There will be a template on the coronavirus website for this reporting as well. The Ohio Department of Health will publish this data by school or school district, including a breakdown by students and staff every Thursday. In addition, a school district or school will identify for their local health department a COVID-19 coordinator to facilitate the reporting of case information, and upon request, schools or buildings are required to provide the local health department a copy of their pandemic plan. We understand that there is always this balance between right to know and privacy. We do not intend for protected health information to be released in our efforts to provide information to Ohioans, but that information is releasing as much as we can is very important. And I want to say this again, just because a school may have positive cases among their students or their staff does not mean the school did anything wrong. In fact, if there are cases, they are reporting them, they're doing what they should be doing. They may have done absolutely everything possible to prevent the spread within their buildings. But schools cannot control what happens out in the local community. And what happens in the local community as far as the spread will be reflected in that school.